So guys, we're on the Champs-Élysées now. We will be making our way to the Pays de Loire today and we'll be leaving Paris behind us. And I'm really excited to go around the roundabout of the Arc de Triomphe, because I always wanted to do that once, even though it seems really scary. Can I go through here? Probably can, yeah. So the weather went down from 41 degrees to 27, which is way more manageable. Still hot, but way more manageable. Like, literally this feels like autumn now after this crazy weather. Look, there's the Arc de Triomphe already. So the Arc de Triomphe, way here. Camera's going. So maybe we can go one round around it without getting absolutely obliterated by a taxi or something. Ooh, this is scary, but also nice. So I've been here yesterday editing my videos at the McDonald's, and it was really a good time because there are all the motorcycle stores and I had the chance to look at all the motorcycles, which was really nice. So our exit will be right over here. So let's not get run over by a car. We made it. We survived the big roundabout. Guys, I'm still quite far away from the Pays de Loire. I'm running into a little bit of trouble with my luggage. The thingies that keep the thing secure are absolute rubbish, and it opened up on the way like 2 or 3 times. So I will need to find some bungee cords to fix this. I've just gotten those things at the gas station, and I hope they will be enough to shut this problem here completely. This one goes on here. So this seems to work now without the thingies. See, it doesn't open anymore, so all good. Let's get going then. Well guys, I just pulled over for a break and dropped the bike because I was literally too tired to hold it anymore. Oh, I need to fix this now. Oh fuck, this is by the way the first time I ever dropped a bike. So the kickstand out. Oh, it's also all slippery and slimy right here. Okay. Let's try it like this. Come on! Come on! Come on, come on! I'm fighting. I was pulling over here. Because I didn't have the strength anymore. And my shoulder was hurting like hell. And then I just fell. Well, first drop of a bike in my life. And first drop of the bike in here. Like, I'm really hoping that the bike is alright because all the fluids now went once to one side. But like, the sun is just so brutal because as you guys can see, there's literally no shadow here whatsoever. Looks wise, it has like just gone into the dirt a little bit, but it should be fine. I will be turning on the machine now to see if everything runs. So here we go. She runs at idle perfectly. Only thing that worries me a little bit is that the gas is, you can see it has a little gap here and it has some trouble closing back again. But it should be fine. Well guys, I have recovered mentally from dropping my bike and I'm now back on the road to the Pays de Loire. I have to mention, all this motorcycle riding is really tough on the body. My shoulder is hurting like hell. That's why I had to pull over already the second time today. We now just arrived at the chateau and we will have a look at it. Well, the chateau was sadly already closed because the road here took me longer than I planned. Yeah, I found a little hotel. Sorry, I needed to drive fast over that bump. I found a little hotel 100 kilometers away from here. That's 35 euros a night, including breakfast. And the camping would be like 22. So with the breakfast included, it's definitely worth it. In case you're wondering why I'm going this route to Luggage, is because I will be visiting my parents who are going on vacation there, and I can crash in the hotel for a few nights on the floor, which is really nice, so I can have a little bit of chill out time in between on the trip and make a little break from making videos and just chill for a few days till my trip to Morocco continues. This place just looks closed, to be honest. So guys, I now arrived at my hotel. I will do some editing now and have some food, and then see you guys tomorrow on the next part of my trip to Morocco.